You need 3 videos, one standing, one jumping, and finally throw sugar or chocolate into a glass so that the contents of the glass spill out. From the overlay section, we place the video with the standing subject on the second layer. In the main layer, we place the video, which is just the glass without the subject. From the mask part, we place the horizontal part in the middle of the image so that the image of the glass appears. We move the video where the subject jumps from the overlay to the second layer. Go to the cutout section and from the background removal section, we remove the video background where the subject is jumping. We match the subject size to the previous video. And we keyframe the subject and move it towards the glass, meanwhile reducing the size of the subject so that it jumps into the glass. We make a copy of the video on the main layer and move it from the overlay to the third layer. And from the mask section, we place the horizontal mask right on the edge of the glass so that everything after the glass disappears. And I chose cubic out transition between the 2 keyframes. We zoom in on the part where the contents of the glass spill out using a keyframe and then zoom out when the subject catches the glass as it falls. I hope you liked the video. If you like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and don't forget to share it with your friends.